This is how I close deals on Zoom Part 2. In the rapidly evolving digital landscape, effective communication and virtual meetings have become paramount for businesses seeking to close deals and secure high-ticket clients. With the rise of platforms like Zoom, professionals from various industries, including coaches, consultants, trainers, service providers, and sellers of luxury products, have embraced this technology as a powerful tool for closing deals remotely. In this comprehensive guide, we will explore proven strategies and techniques for successfully closing deals on Zoom. Demonstrating empathy and understanding. Show empathy towards the client's challenges and concerns. Acknowledge their perspective and validate their experiences. By demonstrating understanding, you build trust and rapport, making the client more receptive to your proposed solutions. Establishing credibility and authority. Throughout the meeting, highlight your expertise and industry knowledge. Share success stories and case studies that demonstrate your track record of delivering results. Use data and facts to support your claims and position yourself as a trusted authority in your field. Tailoring solutions to clients' specific needs, customizing the offer. Based on the client's requirements and challenges, tailor your solution to meet their specific needs. Clearly explain how your product or service addresses their pain points and provides tangible benefits. Use language that resonates with their industry or niche. Highlighting unique selling points. Identify the unique selling points of your offering and clearly articulate them to the client. Differentiate yourself from competitors by highlighting what sets you apart. Focus on the value and benefits they will receive by choosing your solution over alternatives. Using visuals and demonstrations. Utilize the screen sharing feature on Zoom to present visual aids, such as slides, product demos, or videos. Visuals help the client better understand your offering and visualize how it can solve their challenges. Use storytelling techniques to engage the client during demonstrations. Addressing potential concerns. Anticipate potential objections or concerns the client may have and prepare thoughtful responses in advance. Be prepared to address issues related to pricing, implementation, or compatibility. Position your offering as a solution to their concerns and provide evidence or testimonials to alleviate doubts. Closing deals on Zoom has become an indispensable skill for businesses operating in today's digital landscape. By implementing the strategies and techniques outlined in this guide, professionals in the lead generation and customer acquisition space can elevate their virtual meetings to new heights, forging stronger connections with clients, showcasing value, and ultimately closing more deals. With effective preparation, strong communication, and a focus on building trust, you can confidently navigate the world of virtual sales and secure high-ticket clients on Zoom. Remember, each Zoom meeting is an opportunity to showcase your expertise, connect with your audience, and provide tailored solutions that meet their needs. By consistently honing your skills and adapting to the virtual environment, you can position yourself as a trusted partner and expert in your industry, leading to increased success in closing deals on Zoom.
Discover a unique 5-step system named COM5 method that I am using to sell high-ticket coaching, training, and services using the power of artificial intelligence, one simple funnel, and social media paid ads. Go to my website com5method.com and sign up to watch your free video training. You will find the link to the website com5method.com somewhere on this video and the description section right below. If you have liked this video, make sure to hit the like button. Smash the like button right now before you go. While you are here, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. If you do this, you will get notification when I release a new video on YouTube. On my YouTube channel, I am focusing in teaching you how to sell high-ticket, high-margin coaching, training, services, and luxury products. I will share with you my marketing tests that I am doing to attract paid and organic traffic and how I attract high-quality leads using YouTube and social media channels. Therefore, make sure to subscribe right now or you will miss all this valuable information and training. Comment and let me know one big idea that you have learned from this video. Also, let me know if you want me to create a video based on any questions you have relating to your business. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family on social media and other channels. This motivates me to create new valuable content on regular basis. Thanks for watching this video and wish you all the very best and success, and see you in my next video.